All right, it's Thursday, May 22nd, just following up on the SPY. I am breaking even on this put trade. I bought puts here on the 2 up, 2 down red bar after it took out the pre-market highs, anticipating hitting the lows of the day. It was actually coming down there, and I was prepared to scale out and set up a no-risk trade, and then we had the sudden reversal near these lows. I still can see these being taken out, but you're getting the green reversal bar 2 up, so to me, that's enough just to exit the trade from a risk management standpoint. I bought the 595 puts at 1197. I just exited 1198. So break even on this one, and you can see we're just chopping around relative to the big picture, and it's a little bit conflicting in the sense that the weekly chart is still down, looking to take out the lows of the previous week and the gap as I've described in previous videos. You can see here on the daily chart, even though we're technically green, we're still well below the midpoint of the prior day. Who knows, before this day ends, you could see this being a big red bar to the downside. But now you have the opening price action, which is kind of taken out the pre-market highs here, try to reverse down, but we're just chopping around relative to that first bar. So we're not really reversing the upside. We're not following through to the downside. And it's just tough to say what's going to unfold. We also have the monthly chart, which, well, that's the yearly chart. Let's go to the monthly chart here, which is still projected to head higher to that red bar high before the end of the month, within the next week. So at any point on this daily chart, this could just be a little 3-day little pause after a nice run up that doesn't really hit its target. And if it can't hit its weekly target and reverses up, that to me is a powerful signal that we're making another leg up here by the end of the month. So, just tough to say. Opening price action, what's really unfolding for the rest of today. I'm still biased to the downside. However, I'm not ready quite yet to play the upside, until I really see a reversal day develop here on the daily chart first. And then in terms of the downside, I'm just not comfortable given this price action that it's following through the way you would expect it to after taking out the low of the previous day on the first bar. So, just one of those things where I kind of know what I'm looking for. This opportunity to buy puts here I think was a good one given my analysis at opening, prior to the open, that if we came up and took out liquidity and failed, this could be a good opportunity to reach those weekly targets. But this bar really shouldn't have formed. However, it still can just be a pause. I almost see these as double lows to be taken out and then this bar taken out. So no problem still being short here if you want to, but with a tight stop, we don't want to see it really break above here and follow through strongly to the midpoint of yesterday. But in the meantime, it's just choppy here in the morning and tough to say what's going to unfold for the rest of the day.